Hi guys, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon 333 where I'm posting trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Today I have found the British pound with US dollar trade for you guys, and British pound is gonna take a big move against the US dollar. So let's move to the live chart. The British pound with US dollar live chart, and it would be 1 month live chart. I'm just taking you to the live chart, and this is the chart. I need to do some adjustment to make it more visible for you. And on this chart you can see the price action is forming a bearish sharp pattern. This is initial leg. The A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced between 1.13 to 1.618 Fibonacci, and it can be retraced almost up to here. Now the price action is entered in the potential reversal zone, and it can move up to here from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci, almost up to here. Now after finding the pattern, we can apply the volume profile on the complete price action of this pattern, and this is a volume profile, the fixed range of the volume profile. And after applying the volume profile on the price action of this complete pattern, we can see the trader interest is very weak within the potential reversal zone. This is almost, this area is our potential reversal zone from here up to here. And if we place the stochastic, then we can see the stochastic is oversold and likely to give bull cross soon. And if we place the MACD, the MACD, the MACD is strong bearish. For a secure trade, we can wait for the stochastic to give the bull cross, or we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish from strong bearish, like it happened here. After when the MACD turned weak bearish from strong bearish, the price action took the bullish divergence, and the stochastic also gave the bull cross at that time. So we can wait for these two signals to enter in the trade or take the long position. Now let's move to the chart I've published to show you the targets. And this is the chart. For that I need to take you to my profile portal. British pound with US dollar, and this is the chart I've published. And here on this chart you can see I have defined two types of sell target zones. One is the sell target, the secure sell target. Another one is the aggressive sell target up to the completion of the shark's leg. And you can see these targets clearly here in the chart description. So this trade has a capacity to give us up to 24.5% profit. Thank you so much for watching the complete video. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Do hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.